Do you want to turn Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales into a goldmine? Say hello to ChatterBox after the frenzy of Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. It's time to take a step back and analyze how your business performed. But where do you start?
With so much data pouring in, it can be hard to know where to focus. That's where ChatterBox comes in. You can ask easy to understand questions like, what were my top selling products, or how much money did I make this weekend? These questions help you understand what's driving your sales and where to focus your efforts. ChatterBox answers your questions instantly, showing you exactly what sold the most, how your sales compared to last year, and customer feedback trends. By understanding which products are performing well, how much revenue you generated, and which regions are thriving, you can make smarter decisions for the future, like restocking best sellers or adjusting your marketing strategy.
Now you can focus on what matters most, making informed decisions to drive your business forward with ChatterBox. Understanding your Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales performance has never been easier. Just ask and get answers quickly and clearly. Ask simply, grow quickly. So if you want to discover data insights easily to build on your business's success, sign up today at chatterbox.com. Catch you in the chat.